y'all, Russ here, RVerTV. Good morning. How's everyone doing today? Today is Wednesday, May 22nd. I'm heading down I-5. Just left South Sac. We're going to go on a little road trip along the river. Thought we'd go check out the Delta a little bit. Hey, this is the exit just past Elk Grove. It's called Hood. H-O-O-D, California. We're gonna go check it out. This is the Hood Franklin Road, and I'm expecting fog. It rained all night long. No. Just been fighting the weather the whole week. But once the sun gets up, it's gonna get foggy. That's why I came down. It's only 5:45 in the morning. There's a big town of Hood, and look at the fog starting to settle in. We're getting real close to the river. We're actually going to follow the river down, and then we'll come back around. This will be like 2 videos. I'll bust it in half. There's a little town of Hood. Cute little community. I don't know much anymore. I've been gone out of this area so long, but I'm sure this is a very nice little community. Those buildings, these big buildings you're gonna see, they're old grain silos. I think they still are utilized quite a bit. It's massive agriculture. Vineyards, orchards, all kinds of stuff is growing here. Get ready. This is Highway 160. Hey, there's Sacramento River. There it is. I boated on that thing forever. On cabin cruisers, ski boats, fishing boats, you name it, I was out there. The Delta is like 1,200 miles of waterways that you can go all over, down through Stockton, all through the Bay Area. It's massive. Google it. Look it on a map. It's extremely interesting. Good old sunshine right now. I know that fog's gonna lay in here soon. Always did before. But these farms or ranches, orchards, whatever you want to call them, I mean, the houses are huge. The acreage is huge. It's just so manicured. Big business. Almonds is one, I know for sure. I know vineyards. I'm not sure what else they grow here. But very interesting. You can spend, and this is very motorhome friendly. You can go up and down these rivers. When you get down farther, there's a bunch of campgrounds and RV parks too. But you can definitely travel this in a motorhome. Yeah, I don't want to go down that road. Keep on trucking. That just takes you back to some more farms. Look how flat the water is. There's no wind right now. So that means what? Drone time. We got some cool stuff to look at up here. Okay, this is a little community of Cortland. Not a whole lot here. Houses, farm workers, they live here. They got like little general stores, and the history of these little towns go way back, way back into the mining days of the 1800s and all kinds of stuff. The buildings too, it's amazing. And if you're out in a boat, they got docks, you can pull up, come up, get something to eat. There's little restaurants. You can walk through what they call Old Town, which ain't much, it's like a block long. Cortland, California. Check her out. Okay, let's keep on trucking. I think the camera's picking up. Look at the fields on the left, how manicured that looks. Reflection on the water on the right. Just picture perfect. Hope the weather holds. No fog. And here's what I came to see. One of them. Check it out. Look at the bridge. is the Paintersville Bridge, I think is the name of it. I might be wrong. I think so. They're narrow. And oh, there's a car coming. Watch this. I'm gonna stop. There's a car coming across. I'm gonna wait a minute. But look at this thing, and it's active. They got an operator. This thing will raise up and down. Yep, here we go. Hang on. Isn't this cool? Yay, we made it. Ta-da. Look at the weight. Look at that weight right above us. Alright, I'm going to make a right here, pull off. Maybe I can get a drone shot in. Let's check it out. Wow, isn't that pretty? This is going to make a heck of a good drone shot. Look at the reflection on the water. Once again, that's Sacramento River, Paintersville Bridge. Pretty sure that's the name of it. I should Google this stuff myself. Alright, let me get the drone out. We'll get up in the air and then we'll check it out from up there. I shall return. We go, here we go. Look at that. Look at the car going across. There's a truck on the other side. I guess a truck would fit across here. There's roads on both sides of the river all the way down and back. Then you can cut across the bridges. No, that truck's keeping going. Look at the fog coming in. Look at that. Look at it forming above the water too. But check out those orchards. Look at that. Just forever. That's how big it is here. Oh, look at the pines sticking up. How pretty, huh? This is postcard material. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, let me get landed. There's more to see, bunch more. We're just at the start of it. Not too busy traffic yet. It will be though. Okay, time to get back on the road. Oh, that was awesome footage, wasn't it? Wow. That is good stuff. Okay, we're going to head down this side for a while, because I know where another bridge is. Now this 160 jumps back and forth. You can follow the signs, but both sides of the road you can drive up and down all the way. Look at the trees, how they've grown across the road and formed like a big canopy, all shaded. Look at that. Isn't that neat? I think the state maintains all this, so it's pretty well maintained. Here we go. Another one. This is, I know the name of this one. This is Steamboat Slough. Right here. Look at the weight. Let's go across. Hang on. The guy needs to slow down. Whoa. Alright, let me pull over here. There's a little parking area. Take a little footage. Fly the drone. And that waterway to the right is Steamboat Slough. Alright, look at the weight. That's all concrete. Once again, these are operated bridges, and they raise up for pleasure craft, like a lot of sailboats come up and down through here. The bigger cabin cruisers and yachts. I don't think there's much commercial traffic on this part of the river. Now the deep water channel, yes. Big boats go up and down there. That's a long ways from here. But look at that old thing. That's been there forever. Need a job painting these bridges, huh? Alright. I think it's drone time. There's the van. Up we go. This gives you, now you can really see it. Look at the weight on that, where it raises up, the counterweight. Isn't that amazing? Car going across there. Okay, the water's straight below us. That's the slough, Steamboat Slough. Get up a little higher. There's Sacramento River right there. Look at the fog coming in. Dagnabbit. We're gaining on it, hopefully. Now that is going downriver. That's going down towards Isleton and Rio Vista. But look at the fields. Look at that. Look at that house. Isn't that pretty? And there's a good shot looking down Steamboat Slough. And one more look at the bridge. That little beach area down below the bridge on the other side, that's where all the ski boats hang out. It's a real popular area for picnics and boating and rafting and kayaking, canoeing, and fishing. Okay, we're going to go down this levee road. This is called Grand Isle Road, Grand Island Road or whatever. And we're going to cut down and then we'll cut back over to 160. I'll show you. But I want to show you something that's really cool. Hadn't been down here in years. Hopefully it's still open. Look how fast the fog forms. Back there at the bridge, we had a little bit of sun with some fog. Now look at the sky. And that's all fog. You can't see it on camera, but I can see off to the right and I can still see blue sky. Hopefully, they say by the end of this week, the rains will slow down. Okay, here we are, here we are. Check this place out. Yeah, it's still going. Let me get pulled over here and I'll show you. We are. This is called the Grand Island Mansion. And it's mainly for, they have a ton of weddings, big fancy functions here. It's a big place that people rent out. Plus they have a private boat dock. This is where the 1% hang. But it's called here, Grand Island Mansion. And back down there is the boat docks. We'll see that. I'm gonna launch a drone real quick. Hopefully it ain't too foggy. Alright, let me get up in the air. We go. Look at the gates. Look at the S-shaped shrubs or whatever you want to call them around the fountain. Too bad the fountain's not going. They're closed right now. I don't know if they're open to public for tours. Maybe. I doubt it. Very private. If you can rent this place, you're... I don't know. Whatever. But definitely look at the boat dock. Definitely worth driving by and getting pictures. Look at the fog coming in. You can see the fields. And this is Steamboat Slough. This is not Sacramento River. Look at that. Beautiful. Very well manicured. Nice stop. If you get down this way, check it out. This is Grand Island Mansion. Okay, get landed here. Okay, on we go. We'll call this the end of part 1. Next video will be the rest of this trip. Much more to see. It'll be fun. Might even get a boat ride. Hey, if you haven't, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the little bell icon to follow and get notifications when I post a video. Also, down in the description, if you want to support the channel, click that buy me a cup of coffee. That helps a lot, and thank you for everyone that's done that. Also, the Amazon links, buy a t-shirt and all. Okay, take care. Talk soon.